Welcome to the YouTube channel of Success Campus. From now onwards, we are going to update daily current affairs for your benefits. So stay with us and keep learning. हमारे सक्सेस कैंपस के YouTube चैनल में आप सभी का स्वागत है। आपके सुविधा के लिए आज से हमारे चैनल पर प्रतिदिन के करंट अफेयर्स अपडेट किए जाएंगे, तो हमारे साथ बने रहिए और सीखते रहिए। मिजोरम राज्य सरकार ने हाल ही में खेल को औद्योगिक दर्जा प्रदान किया है। यह सरकार द्वारा खेल उद्योग में निवेश को आकर्षित करने के लिए किया गया है। The Mizoram state government has recently provided industrial status to sports. This has been done by the government to attract investment in the sports industry. थायराइड स्वास्थ्य के बारे में जागरूकता फैलाने और थायराइड रोगों के उपचार के बारे में शिक्षित करने के लिए हर साल 25 मई को विश्व थायराइड दिवस मनाया जाता है। वर्ल्ड थायराइड डे इज ऑब्जर्व्ड ऑन 25th May every year to spread awareness about thyroid health and to educate about the treatment of thyroid disease. Let's have a look on its goals. It focuses on 5 major goals. Number 1, awareness about thyroid health. Number 2, to promote understanding in the treatment of thyroid disease. Number 3, to emphasize the spread of thyroid disease. Number 4, to focus on the urgent need for education and prevention programs. Number 5, to expand awareness of new treatment methods. 24 मई 2020 को सड़क परिवहन और राजमार्ग मंत्रालय ने BS6 के लिए L7 श्रेणी के लिए उत्सर्जन मानदंडों को अधिसूचित किया। अधिसूचना के साथ देश में BS6 प्रक्रिया L, M और N श्रेणी के वाहन पूरे हो जाते हैं। On May 24, 2020, the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways notified emission norms for L7 category for BS6. With the notification, the BS6 process L, M and N category vehicles in the country get completed. Let's have a brief look on it. The emission norms will encourage the production of quadricycles. Let us see what is a quadricycle. Quadricycle is a vehicle that is of the size of a three-wheeler but runs with 4 wheels. The quadricycle was inserted as non-transport under Motor Vehicles Act 1988. Quadricycles are not allowed for transporting cargo in India. The vehicles with 4 wheels with mass more than 400 kg are placed under 17 category. विश्व स्वास्थ्य संगठन ने हाल ही में 8 उम्मीदवारों को मानव परीक्षण में प्रवेश करने की घोषणा की है। The World Health Organization recently announced 8 candidates to enter human trials. Let's have a brief look on it. The trial involves infecting volunteers intentionally with COVID-19 virus. This is done to speed up the process of vaccine development. The vaccine development takes several years to develop through 3 phases of clinical trials. This includes Phase 1. During this phase, small groups of people receive the vaccine. Phase 2. Vaccine is given to those people whose characteristics are similar to those for whom the new vaccine is intended. Phase 3. Vaccine is given to several thousands to test the safety and efficacy. During this phase, the participants either receive placebo or vaccine. Placebo is something that looks like treatment but is not in reality. It can be a sugar solution or saline. 23 मई 2020 को कर्मचारी राज्य बीमा निगम का पेरोल डेटा जारी किया गया था। डेटा में कहा गया है कि लगभग 8,81,000 नए सदस्य ESIC सामाजिक सुरक्षा योजना में शामिल हुए हैं। On May 23, 2020, the payroll data of the Employees State Insurance Corporation was released. The data says that around 8,21,000 new members have joined ESIC Social Security Scheme. Let's have a brief look on it. The Employment State Insurance Scheme was launched in 1952 under the Employees State Insurance Act 1948. In June 2020, the Government of India reduced the rate of contribution under the scheme. The employer contribution was reduced from 4.75% to 3.25%, and employee contribution was reduced from 1.75% to 0.75%. नासा के शोधकर्ताओं ने अंटार्कटिक क्षेत्र में बर्फ से उच्च ऊर्जा वाले कणों को पाया है। शोधकर्ताओं का मानना है कि यह कण समानांतर ब्रह्मांड के प्रमाण हैं। The NASA researchers have found high energy particles erupting from ice in the Antarctic region. The researchers believe that these particles are proof to parallel universe. Let's have a brief look on it. The Antia is high energy cosmic neutrino that detect radio pulses that are being emitted by Antarctic ice sheet. The neutrinos in the ice produce radio pulses due to Askaryan effect. It is the phenomenon where a particle traveling at a velocity faster than light in a dense electric medium produces shower of secondary charged particles. The dense electric medium can be ice or salt of lunar regolith. 24 मई 2020 को वर्ल्ड स्टील एसोसिएशन ने वर्ल्ड स्टील रिपोर्ट जारी की। रिपोर्ट के अनुसार भारत की कच्चे इस्पात की रिपोर्ट में 65% की गिरावट आई है। अप्रैल 2020 के दौरान भारत का इस्पात उत्पादन 3.13 मिलियन टन था। On May 24, 2020, the World Steel Association released the World Steel Report. According to the report, the crude steel report of India declined by 65%. During April 2020, the steel output of India was 3.13 million tons. Let's have a brief look on it. China has reported 1.7% fall in steel production. This is the first time China is facing an output decline. US faced a decline of 32%. South Korea's steel production declined by 8.4%. India is currently operating under its National Steel Policy 2017. रसायन और उर्वरक मंत्रालय ने घोषणा की कि रसायन और पेट्रोकेमिकल्स विभाग के तहत एक सार्वजनिक उपक्रम HIL इंडिया कोविड-19 लॉकडाउन के बीच कृषक समुदाय के लिए कीटनाशकों का उत्पादन और आपूर्ति करेगा। Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers announced that HIL India, a PSU under the Department of Chemicals and Petrochemicals, is to produce and supply the pesticides for the farming community amid the COVID-19 lockdown. स्पोर्ट्स अथॉरिटी गुजरात ने राज्य में इच्छुक एथलीटों के लिए व्यक्तित्व और कौशल विकास के लिए प्रशिक्षण प्रदान करने के लिए टाइम्स सेंटर फॉर लर्निंग लिमिटेड के साथ एक समझौता ज्ञापन कर हस्ताक्षर किए। यह राज्य में अपनी तरह का पहला प्रशिक्षण होगा। Sports Authority Gujarat signed an MOU with the Time Center for Learning Limited to impart training for personality and skill development for aspiring athletes in the state. This will be the first of its kind training in the state. Let's learn more about it. The MOU aims to train over 2,000 young and aspiring athletes across Gujarat in areas such as Anand, Nadiad, Tapi, Porbandar, Surat and Himmatnagar. The participants will be selected using an enlisting process. The exercise aims to inculcate the idea of ownership and accomplishment about their respective sports among these athletes. It also aims to train psychologically, preparing them for their challenging way ahead. तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही। कल मैं फिर आऊँगी कुछ नए अपडेट्स के साथ। तब तक घर पे रहिए, स्वस्थ रहिए और कुछ नया सीखते रहिए। धन्यवाद।